Easily analyze latency spikes using NetApp Workload Factory. Analyzing latency spikes in high-performance storage environments can be complex. You need to define thresholds for read and write operations, identify precisely when latency breaches occur, and isolate the component which causes the latency spike. Let's see an easy way to analyze storage latency with NetApp Workload Factory. Go to the EDA workload and click Manage. Go to Latency and click Review. In the Latency dashboard, click Edit to set your latency thresholds. In the latency configuration page, you can set critical event thresholds and warning event thresholds. The configurable thresholds include read and write latency, read and write IOPS latency, read and write time ranges. Tick the I understand box and click Apply when ready. The dashboard lists the latency events logged in your volumes. Each event displays the affected volume and file system, the severity, and the detection timestamp. Click on an event to investigate. You can see a latency overview showing the median latency compared to the threshold, the measured latency in each storage component, and a short description. Click Analyze to get an AI analysis of the root cause, an implication assessment, and suggested remediation steps. Follow the remediation steps when ready. Easily analyze latency spikes using NetApp Workload Factory.